Polygon is a Layer-2 scaling solution for Ethereum, designed to address some of the biggest challenges facing blockchain technology today. It's built to make blockchain transactions not only faster and cheaper, but also more efficient and accessible for everyone. Imagine Ethereum as a crowded single-lane highway. Polygon builds a multi-lane expressway beside it, easing congestion, reducing costs, and allowing more people to participate at once. This means users can enjoy Ethereum's robust security and decentralized features, but without the frustration of high fees and slow transaction speeds that often discourage newcomers. Polygon's mission is to solve blockchain's scalability problem, which is a key barrier to mainstream adoption of decentralized apps and services. By processing transactions for just a fraction of a cent, Polygon makes blockchain technology affordable for everyone, from individual users to large enterprises. And by confirming transactions in mere seconds, Polygon empowers developers to build apps that can scale to millions of users worldwide, opening up new possibilities for innovation. It's not just a single solution, but a comprehensive suite of technologies, including its flagship proof-of-stake chain, powering thousands of decentralized applications, from DeFi to gaming and beyond. Polygon regularly handles millions of transactions every day, far outpacing Ethereum's mainnet and proving its reliability at scale. Its growing ecosystem has become essential for developers, businesses, and the broader Ethereum community, driving the next wave of blockchain adoption. Ultimately, Polygon bridges the gap between today's blockchain limitations and tomorrow's potential, making decentralized technology accessible to all, regardless of technical background. Without innovative solutions like Polygon, high costs and slow speeds would keep blockchain exclusive to a privileged few, limiting its transformative power. By lowering these barriers, Polygon is onboarding the next wave of Web3 users and innovators, helping to democratize access to decentralized finance and digital ownership. Developers can now create seamless, user-friendly, decentralized apps that anyone can use, regardless of their experience with blockchain. That's why Polygon is a project of immense significance, shaping the future of blockchain and making it truly open to the world. In October 2023, Polygon launched its major upgrade, Polygon 2.0, and began transitioning its token from MATIC to POL. This wasn't just a rebrand. POL is designed as a hyperproductive token for a network of interconnected Polygon chains. POL serves as a universal asset, powering the entire Polygon 2.0 ecosystem. Holders can stake POL to validate transactions across multiple chains and earn rewards from various sources. This multi-chain capability sets POL apart from MATIC. The upgrade is gradual, with MATIC holders able to swap for POL via a smart contract. The goal: phase out MATIC and fully embrace the new architecture. For users and investors, POL signals a more integrated and ambitious future for Polygon. The new tokenomics aim to boost utility and incentivize participation across the network. As Polygon 2.0 unfolds, POL becomes the core for staking, governance, and fees. Polygon 2.0 is a complete overhaul, aiming to create a unified network of Layer-2 chains powered by zero-knowledge technology. Think of it as transforming Polygon into an ecosystem of specialized chains that communicate seamlessly. The Polygon zkEVM, launched in 2023, is a Layer-2 solution using zero-knowledge proofs to bundle and validate thousands of transactions on Ethereum. It's fully compatible with Ethereum's smart contracts, making migration easy for developers. Zero-knowledge proofs allow Polygon to prove transaction validity without revealing data, boosting security and scalability. The zkEVM's efficiency cements Polygon as a leader in cutting-edge blockchain tech. Polygon 2.0's vision: let developers launch custom zero-knowledge chains, all sharing security and liquidity. For users, this means a seamless Web3 experience, fast, secure, and interconnected. Polygon's token price from 2023 to 2025 has been a true roller coaster, perfectly capturing the wild volatility that defines the crypto market. These years were marked by dramatic swings, with investors riding waves of optimism and fear. In 2023, MATIC reached a high of $1.50 only to tumble down to 49 cents. The announcement of Polygon 2.0 brought renewed hope, helping the price rebound to nearly 98 cents. This period was filled with anticipation and uncertainty, as the community speculated about the project's future. Early 2024 saw the new POL token surge to $1.40, but a prolonged bearish market soon dragged it down to just 40 cents by the end of the year, shaking investor confidence and leading to widespread caution. 2025 began on a somber note, with POL continuing its decline, dropping below 20 cents and eventually hitting an all-time low of 15 cents in April. Many questioned whether the project could recover. Market fear was at its peak, but a surprising July 2025 US government partnership with Polygon sparked renewed optimism and triggered a slow, steady recovery. By August, POL had climbed back to 26 cents, and by September, it stabilized around 27 cents. This modest recovery brought a sense of relief to long-term holders. This period highlights just how extremely volatile the token can be, and how sensitive it is to both broader market trends and news from within the Polygon ecosystem itself. Major announcements and partnerships can trigger sharp, sudden moves in price, but overall, the journey for Polygon has been turbulent and unpredictable. The recent stabilization in price suggests a potential turning point, hinting at a new phase for the token. Investors are now watching closely for the next big catalyst, hoping for signs of sustained growth or a new rally. Polygon's story is far from over, and the next chapter could be its most exciting yet. Polygon's partnerships with global brands like Starbucks, Adidas, and Disney have brought blockchain to millions. These collaborations prove Polygon's tech can handle large-scale, real-world applications. Companies like Nike and Reddit trust Polygon for fast, low-cost transactions, crucial for mainstream adoption. In July 2025, the U.S. Department of Commerce published GDP data on Polygon's blockchain, a first for federal economic stats. This move showcased Polygon's reliability and transparency, earning government trust. It signals a new era blockchain for public administration and data security. Polygon's ability to provide immutable, auditable records is now recognized at the highest levels. This government adoption boosts Polygon's reputation and opens doors for more public sector collaborations. Polygon is now a foundational layer for a transparent digital future. The Layer 2 space is fiercely competitive, with Polygon battling rivals like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Starknet. Each of these platforms is racing to solve Ethereum's scalability challenges, and the stakes are higher than ever as more users and developers flock to decentralized applications. Arbitrum and Optimism use optimistic rollups, which are efficient, but can have longer withdrawal times due to their fraud-proof mechanisms. This can be a drawback for users who want instant access to their funds, especially during periods of high network activity. Polygon's edge lies in its diverse suite of solutions, and its first-mover advantage with the proof-of-stake chain, offering fast, cheap transactions. This has made it a go-to choice for projects seeking scalability without sacrificing user experience. Its ecosystem is massive, especially in gaming and NFTs, thanks to high throughput and low fees. Developers and creators are drawn to Polygon for its ability to handle large volumes of transactions, making it ideal for digital collectibles and interactive experiences. However, competitors are catching up, especially in DeFi and advanced rollups. New protocols and innovations are constantly emerging, pushing the entire Layer 2 landscape forward. Polygon's pivot to zkEVM is crucial, aiming to leapfrog rivals with more secure, efficient zk rollups. This technology promises not only faster transactions but also enhanced privacy and security for users and developers alike. The future likely holds a multi-chain world, with several solutions coexisting and collaborating. Interoperability will be key as users demand seamless movement of assets and data across different blockchains. Polygon's strategy is clear: diversification and integration, connecting POS and zk chains in a network of networks. This approach aims to unify fragmented ecosystems and provide a seamless experience for all participants. This approach could make Polygon the central hub of Layer 2, not just another competitor. By bridging different technologies, Polygon positions itself as the backbone of the next generation of blockchain infrastructure. Success hinges on zkEVM's adoption and continued innovation. The ability to attract developers, users, and partners will determine who leads the Layer 2 revolution. The Layer 2 race is far from over, and the next breakthrough could change the landscape overnight. Predicting POL's 2025 price is tough. Analysts' forecasts range from bullish to cautious. After hitting a low of 15 cents in April, POL has shown modest recovery. Optimists see potential highs of $1.57 or even $3.56 if Polygon's roadmap succeeds and the market rebounds. More conservative views expect POL to end 2025 between 40 cents and 75 cents, barring major shocks. Bearish scenarios warn of retesting lows if competition intensifies or the market falters. The key takeaway: volatility will persist. POL's price depends on Polygon 2.0's execution, market sentiment and adoption. A gradual recovery is plausible, but ambitious targets need a strong bull market. Investors should brace for swings and watch for milestones. Long-term predictions for POL are generally bullish but speculative. Analysts expect the Polygon 2.0 ecosystem and zk rollup adoption to drive demand. For 2026, forecasts range from $2.07 to $2.39, surpassing previous highs. By 2030, some see POL breaking the $10 mark, with projections up to $10.51. Achieving this requires Polygon to lead in Web3 infrastructure and maintain innovation. The token's ability to earn rewards from multiple chains could attract long-term holders. By 2031, forecasts suggest $11.22 to $13.01, though these are highly speculative. Success depends on tech breakthroughs, regulation, and fending off competitors. These forecasts reflect strong belief in Polygon's vision and potential. Still, investors should treat distant predictions with caution. Investing in Polygon offers big potential rewards, but also real risks. Its strong tech, brand partnerships, and government trust make it a blue-chip Web3 project. POL's value could soar if Polygon delivers on its ambitious roadmap. But crypto volatility is a constant threat, and market downturns can hit hard. Competition from other Layer 2s is fierce. Polygon must keep innovating. Regulatory uncertainty and execution risks like delays or bugs are ever present. Success isn't guaranteed, but Polygon's track record is strong. For investors, it's about weighing long-term potential against real-world risks. Do your own research, understand the tech, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Polygon's future is bright, but not without challenges.